Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of high-quality dishwashers and why they're one of the best investments you can make for your home. Now, picture this. You've just finished a delicious meal, but your sink is piled high with dirty dishes. Well, fear not, because a top-notch dishwasher is here to save the day. Not only will it spare you the time and stress of scrubbing those plates and utensils, but it'll also work its magic in conserving energy and water, all while reducing your utility bill. But hold on a second. With so many dishwasher options out there, choosing the perfect one can be as challenging as tackling a mountain of dirty dishes. Ain't nobody got time for that. That's why I've gone ahead and done all the research for you. I've scoured the market to find the most reliable dishwasher models available today. Trust me, you'll thank me later. So, whether you're a dishwasher newbie or a seasoned pro, stick around because I'm about to break down the best of the best when it comes to dishwashers. Get ready to say goodbye to that sink full of dirty dishes and hello to convenience, energy savings, and more time to do the things you love. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we're going to talk about the best value dishwasher on the market, the Bosch 500 series dishwasher. Now, I know what you're thinking. It might not be the cheapest dishwasher out there, but trust me, it offers fantastic value for the price. This dishwasher is packed with features that make it worth every penny. The Bosch 500 series comes in a sleek and compact design. It's the perfect size for most kitchens, fitting in seamlessly with your existing appliances. One standout feature of this dishwasher is the flexible third rack. Have you ever struggled to fit oversized dishes or utensils in your dishwasher? Well, with the Bosch 500 series, that won't be a problem. The third rack provides extra space, allowing you to accommodate all your dishes, even after a big dinner party. But that's not all. The auto air dry feature is a game changer. After the dishwasher completes its cycle, the door automatically pops open. This not only helps your dishes dry quicker, but also prevents those annoying watermarks that can ruin the look of your glassware. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Another convenient feature is the LED light that shines on the floor. No more guessing whether the dishwasher is running or not. The light indicator lets you know when a cycle is in progress, so you can plan accordingly. On the positive side, we have the auto air dry feature, which ensures dry and spotless dishes. The flexible third rack is also a huge plus, providing that extra space you need. However, we have to mention that the Bosch 500 series dishwasher does come with a higher price tag compared to some other models on the market. But keep in mind that you're paying for the quality and reliability that comes with the trusted Bosch brand. So, if you're looking for a dishwasher that offers great value and comes from a reputable brand, we highly recommend the Bosch 500 series. It's a top control dishwasher with excellent features like the auto air dry and the flexible third rack. Just keep in mind that it might be a bit more expensive than other options out there. At number 4, we're going to talk about the LG Top Control Dishwasher, which is touted as one of the best smart dishwashers out there. In terms of dimensions, the LG Top Control Dishwasher measures 23.75 by 24.7 by 33.7 inches, making it a decent size for most kitchens. It operates at a noise level of 42 dBA, which is pretty quiet compared to many other dishwashers on the market. With a place setting capacity of 15, it can handle a good amount of dishes in a single load. The dishwasher is available in 2 color options, silver and black, featuring a sleek and stylish print-proof stainless steel finish. It also comes with 3 racks, providing ample space for organizing your dishes. First and foremost, it comes with an easy-to-use app that allows you to control and monitor your dishwasher remotely. With the built-in Wi-Fi and the Smart ThinQ app, you can keep track of your cycle status, ensuring that you don't interrupt the cleaning process unintentionally. You can even receive maintenance notifications on your phone, so you can keep your LG dishwasher running smoothly. One standout feature of the LG Top Control dishwasher is its QuadWash technology. Unlike traditional dishwashers with only 2 spray arms, this one has 4 spray arms, which means better cleaning performance. Many users and reviewers have praised the effectiveness of this technology, as it delivers impressive results. The dishwasher also incorporates steam technology, which not only prevents watermarks but also helps to remove dried-on food, leaving your dishes sparkling clean. Plus, the adjustable rack allows you to accommodate larger items with ease. Some users have mentioned that the rack and tines feel a bit flimsy, which is not ideal, especially considering the price of this dishwasher. Additionally, it's not the best when it comes to drying utensils. So, if you're someone who relies heavily on perfectly dry dishes, you might want to consider other options. Lastly, the capacity of this dishwasher is a bit limited, so if you have a large family or tend to host frequent gatherings, you might find yourself running multiple cycles. Overall, the LG Top Control dishwasher offers some fantastic features and smart technology that makes your dishwashing experience more convenient. It's perfect for those who want to stay connected and in control of their dishwasher even when they're not at home. The QuadWash and steam technology ensure thorough cleaning and sparkling results. However, keep in mind the limitations in terms of capacity and drying performance. At number 3, we're going to talk about the Whirlpool Quiet Dishwasher with third rack, which is considered one of the best affordable dishwashers on the market. In terms of dimensions, this dishwasher measures 33.5 by 24.9 by 16.5 inches, making it a decent size for most kitchens. The noise level is rated at 51 dBA, which is not the quietest but still acceptable for everyday use. It has a place setting capacity of 14, which means you can fit a good amount of dishes in there. And speaking of dishes, the racks are made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. One great feature is the adjustable rack. This means you can customize the interior space to fit larger pots and pans or any other oddly shaped items you may. Another positive aspect is the fan drying technology. This helps to dry your dishes efficiently, so you don't have to worry about towel drying them afterward. Additionally, the stainless steel exterior is fingerprint resistant, which is a bonus if you want to maintain a clean and sleek look. Lastly, there's a cycle status indicator, which keeps you informed about the progress of your dishwasher's cleaning process. However, as with any product, there are a few downsides to consider. Firstly, the cycles on this dishwasher tend to take a long time. If you're in a rush and need quick results, this might not be the best option for you. Some users have also mentioned that the dishwasher feels a bit flimsy, which is a minor concern but worth noting. Lastly, despite the name suggesting it's a quiet dishwasher, it's actually a bit louder compared to other models in its category. If you're looking to save some money and don't necessarily need advanced smart technology, this dishwasher is a solid choice. Reviewers have consistently praised its cleaning performance, so you can rely on it to get the job done. The adjustable rack is a useful feature, especially if you have larger cookware to clean. Although some users mention concerns about its build quality, overall, it performs well. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior helps to keep your dishwasher looking sleek and free from smudges. On the flip side, if speed is a priority for you, this dishwasher may not be the best fit. Its deep cleaning cycles tend to be on the longer side, so keep that in mind. And remember, despite the name suggesting it's quiet, it's actually a bit louder than other options on the market. Coming in at number 2, we're diving into the Bosch 300 series, which is the best dishwasher when it comes to drying performance. Now, this dishwasher we're about to discuss has been our top pick for over 3 years. It's none other than the Bosch 300 series dishwasher. This bad boy is not only well designed, but it'll also add a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Whether you have a big family or just find yourself dealing with a mountain of dishes, you'll love the convenience of the V-shaped third rack that offers a whopping 30% more capacity compared to other dishwashers. It has a generous place setting capacity of 16, with 5 different cycles to choose from. And the best part, it operates at an impressively low noise level of just 48 decibels, making it so quiet that you'll hardly notice it's running. Firstly, the Bosch 300 series dishwasher features a unique rackmatic system that allows you to adjust the racks, giving you more room for those dirty dishes. And speaking of being quiet, this dishwasher takes the crown in that department. You can carry on with your conversation or enjoy some peace and quiet without the noisy distraction of a dishwasher running in the background. But what about its cleaning performance? Well, it's stellar, folks. This dishwasher will leave your dishes sparkling clean, ensuring that every bit of grime and grease is washed away. Plus, it's built to last, so you can count on it being a long-term investment for your kitchen. One downside we discovered is that it doesn't dry plastic items as effectively as we would have liked. That's definitely something to consider if you often use plastic dishes or containers. Nevertheless, the Bosch 300 series dishwasher remains a solid choice with its reasonable price point and incredible versatility. The adjustable racks and the inclusion of a third rack make it a dream to load, and the cleaning performance is top-notch. It's energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about skyrocketing electricity bills. Plus, the cycle times are not excessively long, ensuring that your dishes are ready to go when you need them. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about the MIELE G7566SF, which is hands down the best dishwasher overall on the market right now. In terms of dimensions, it measures 23.7 by 33.5 by 22.5 inches, which is pretty standard for a dishwasher. The noise level is only 40 dBA, so it's relatively quiet during operation. And guess what? It has 3 racks, which means you can fit a ton of dishes in there. Now, let's move on to the reasons why you should definitely consider buying this dishwasher. First of all, the cleaning quality is exceptional. You know those tough, stuck-on food particles that refuse to come off? Well, this dishwasher tackles them effortlessly. It's like magic. Another cool feature is the automatic detergent dispenser. The Auto DOS system takes care of that for you. It holds enough detergent for 20 cycles, so you don't have to worry about constantly refilling it. Plus, it's smart enough to regulate the amount of detergent needed for each load, preventing any overflow of soot. That's a big plus. If you have tall glassware, no worries. The racks in this dishwasher are adjustable, so you can easily accommodate those tall wine glasses or pitchers without any problem. That's a feature a lot of users really appreciate. And did I mention that it's relatively quiet? I mean, no one likes a noisy dishwasher. With only 40 dBA, you can barely hear it running in the background. It's great, especially if you have an open concept kitchen or if you like to run the dishwasher during the night. Now, let's talk about the app. Yeah, this dishwasher has an app, and it's actually pretty easy to use. You can control the dishwasher remotely, monitor the progress of your cycle, and even receive notifications when the cycle is complete. It's super convenient and adds that extra touch of modern technology. Lastly, it's all not gold. Let's talk about its cons. The first one is that it's a bit on the expensive side. I mean, let's face it, quality comes at a price. If you're willing to invest in a top-notch dishwasher, then this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. Also, some users find the cutlery tray a bit fiddly. It might take a little getting used to, but once you figure it out, it's not a major issue. In conclusion, MIELE has once again delivered a premium product with their G7566SF dishwasher. The Auto DOS system, exceptional cleaning performance, adjustable racks, and convenient app make it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their dishwasher game. Yeah, it might be a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth every penny. If you're ready to take your dishwashing experience to the next level, this is the one for you. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.